Hi, I'm Ada Hasloecher with the Divorce and Family Mediation Center, and today I want to talk about life insurance. I know, boring. As my colleague said, if they called it death insurance, nobody would buy it. But what I want to talk about today is the life insurance policies that couples have. It's usually the whole life or a term policy to cover their needs in case, God forbid, something happens to one of them. Not all of my couples have life insurance, but many, many do. Whole life, we know, is a whole life policy and has a death benefit. Term policy also has a death benefit, but it also expires at a certain time. And many couples get a term policy at least to get their kids through college, and when they no longer have as much of a financial obligation to them as possible. What I want to talk about, though, is who the beneficiary is on that life insurance policy. When we're married, it's typically we name our spouse as a beneficiary. What happens now when couples are separating? Are they still going to keep each other as the beneficiaries on those policies? Probably not. So who is going to be named as a beneficiary? It's difficult to name minor children as beneficiaries. In fact, most policies will not permit that to happen. If you want your children to be named as the beneficiary, you need to have a guardian, a trustee, or whatever the name is that a responsible adult would be called on that particular life insurance policy. And the other question is, let's say that you have a life insurance policy that's worth $1 million, and you're going to name the children. You have two of them. Each of them would be receiving 50% of $500,000 in the unlikely event, and God forbid you were to die. Do you really want your 18 or 19-year-old to get their hands on a $500,000 life insurance policy? Probably not. So the conversation that we have in mediation is, who are the beneficiaries? Who do you want the beneficiaries to be? Once the two of you are separating, who would be the trustee for the children? And at what point would it be okay for you to have your child be the full beneficiary without having somebody be a custodian for them on your life insurance policy? Lots of details that really need to be discussed, thought through, and ultimately worked out. So come to my table and let's discuss this very, very important decision that you have to make. Ada Hasloecher, Divorce and Family Mediation Center. Thank you for listening.